Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are gonna discuss some of the basics point. Everybody wants to know that how we start our work and how the flow works, basically the process of ordering to the completion. Let me show you some of the graphical charts or like an Excel sheet, how we proceed with the fabric to the finished products. Let's move on. Okay, so for example, we have an order of 2,500 pieces polo shirts. The ship date is 30th/8 any year. Now the starting date is the 1st of the 7th, like 1 or July. PPC means we have to plan how much fabric we require, what is the quantity of the yarn we need to buy, and then start knitting. And then the process is to dye the fabric. When the dye completed, we have cutting. If any embellishment like embroidery or print, we have to do that. Then it's in the sewing department, then packaging, and then it's on the way to you. Now we have around 60 days. It could be less than that, but that's the maximum. For example, 2,500 pieces as per our capacity. Like we can't give anything with 100% capacity to any customer, so that's gonna be 60 days. That means we are using around a 15 to 16% capacity to facilitate. For example, we need 1 day for planning how much fabric we need, then we need 2 days for the yarn sourcing, then around 10 weeks for starting off its knitting, like making the fabric. Then we have 12 days for dyeing the fabric. Then we have the fabric in-house. We need around 5 days for cutting, so that's totally 25 days. Now we need around, after cutting, we need inspection. That's another thing we will share later on with you. Now we have 5 days for the print and embroidery. Then we have 15 days for sewing, because we already told you we cannot deliver 100% capacity to you, so it's gonna be like 15 to 16% capacity of the sewing. Then after everything done, we need 2 days for the packaging. Now we have 8-day margin. That means the job completed by 50th of the day. So we have for 10 days. In any case, we have disturbance in any of the process. So if you talk about in detail, so that's 100% on 1 day. Then we need around 2 days for the yarn. Then the knitting process around 10%, 20%, 30 and 40. That's the completion day by day. Same with the dyeing, cutting, print, stitching, and the packaging. Like 2 days. On the first day, it's going to be 25%. On the rest of the day is 75%. So that's a little bit story about how we manage your order with the capacity we can deliver to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.